Hello guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be learning how to use the import web browser library. So let's get rid of this part this function thing, and let's put import web browser dot. Let's actually look up the library for this in the Python documentation. Now if we go down here, we see open new tab, open new .url. Now let's take this piece of code right here and import it in. We don't have to write it ourselves. So here is the open new URL. I'm just gonna do www.youtube.com. www.youtube.com, https://www.youtube.com. Now I'm gonna do a for in range part to this. For I in range of 10, it's going to sort of do the start YouTube 10 times. So let's go and see what this program does. Okay, for some reason it's not working. The reason I think that it's not working is because we have to go through command prompt and then pip install the web browser. Could not find a pip version. However, 2021, you should consider using upgrading the pip-upgrade command. Let's do this command right here. See what it does. It's going to upgrade the pip software thing. It installed the older version. That's going to probably install the newer version, I believe. Okay, now we should be able to pip install web browser. It says that it's good. Let's try that again. Functions. You'd think that that would work. Okay, let's go in here. I believe you can do it. You probably have to do this. Put it in a string. That might actually work. Let's try that. Okay, let's go into functions. Okay, it worked. It started up 10 new tabs of YouTube. So that is how you use the web browser command. Thank you guys for watching, and bye.